we're going to show you how to connect your HP Envy Pro 6400 series printer using the Wi-Fi Direct connection method. Note that your printer is already in the setup mode. So from your browser, go to your network and select the HP setup Envy Pro 6400 series printer. Connect to that network. You can double click to check that you have connected. So once you have connected, open a Chrome browser or any Internet Explorer and key in the following IP address. When prompted, select OK to continue to our printer settings. At the EWS or Embedded Web Server, go to Network. Now you need to access the secure settings. The printer pin can be found on the printer itself. Open up the cartridge access door. Take note of the pin for use in the EWS. So key in the printer pin. Submit. So this is the network summary. Go to Wireless and select Wireless Setup Wizard. So this wizard will help you to configure your printer to connect to a wireless network. Go to Next. So you can select Technology Tips or the Technology Tips 5 GHz. So let's select the 5 GHz since our printer supports that as well. Go to Next. Key in the wireless password. Go to Next once the password has been keyed in. So you can see that the printer is now connected to the network and the LED is now blue instead of glowing purple. So this is how you use the Wi-Fi Direct method to connect your printer to the wireless network.